Today is Sunday, November 22nd, and we have a visitor today named Stephen Evans. Stephen, hello there.
Hi.
Stephen, how old are you?
6.
And when is your birthday?
Oh no.
Wasn't it just like a week ago?
Oh yeah.
The 7th? Maybe a couple weeks ago. Okay, well, are you visiting with us today? And can you tell us what we did today?
Bike riding.
What? I can't see your face. You gotta look into the camera. Look into the camera. Oh, there we go. Okay. What did we do?
Bike riding.
We went bike riding. And did you ever fall? How many times, sir?
Oh no.
Did you skin your knee?
Yeah.
But other than that, did you do pretty well? You did really well, huh? Okay. And what else did we do today?
Oh no.
Did we go hiking a little bit in the mud? And did we get mud all over our shoes? And why are you sitting by the fire?
'Cause it's nice and warm.
And were you on the cold side?
Are you cold?
You weren't? I thought you were cold.
Only once.
Only once? Oh, you look like you're pretty comfortable. And who is this person next to you?
Christian.
And what is she doing?
Oh no.
Oh no.
I'm ready to take you and Christian.
What does that have to say?
Huh?
REC?
Uh-huh.
Is it supposed to have color in it?
I don't know. Is it working?
Yes, it is.
So now here we're by the fire again, aren't we? And so what grade are you in, Stephen? First grade. And what are you
First
studying?
grade! Oh my gosh, you're old.
And do you like first grade?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Mhm.
Uh-huh. Are you a pretty smart kid?
Mhm.
You did know where Mount Diablo is today, didn't you? Want to stand up? No? All right, here he goes.
Look how tall he is.
He's a pretty tall
Whoa.
dude.
Whoa. How do we get it back up,
Who's
Mom?
on your shirt? Who's on your
Sting.
shirt? Can you explain a little bit about Sting? Is he a prize fighter? No. What is he?
Comes with the bat.
He comes with a bat?
Yeah.
Is he a wrestler? Does he know Hulk Hogan?
Hulk Hogan? Yeah. He used to be on the interview.
Yeah? Okay.
No,
Nice shirt. Let's get a close-up on it.
Well, thank you very much.
Whoa. Smile. Oh, very nice.
Okay, you can
Do you
turn it
want to
off.
show us a dance? Come on.
I don't want to.
Okay.
How about you, Mom?
No.
Come on.
Okay, turn it off, turn it off.
Show everyone your dance. Come on. I know you want to. Hi, everyone. Oh, shit.
Out. What are you doing, Scout? What are you doing? Oh, Scout took your jacket.
Tape Scout.
Scout!
Tape Scout, Mom, and then I'll get in it.
Okay, recording.
Scout!
Kind of ugly, huh?
Scout!
Kind of a sad situation.
Scout!
Okay, that's bad enough.
Scout, what are you doing? Scout! Scout!
Go around, Scout!
Now, in just a few seconds.
Well, the other day.
That's good.
Oh, it was your idea. What are you doing? Started it. What are you doing? When you say somebody, who are you talking about? Don't tell anybody. It might be you.
Me on the bumpers.
You're coming with us.
Scout, we can't get Scout out of the kennel until Monday. And don't forget your airplane ticket to come back here.
Oh, sick.
Is that real?
Huh? that thing?
Where's your cat?
You got a big cat, man.
Pick it up for me. I don't want to see it.
Wait a minute, let me pick it up.
I like it.
Did you put it in there?
Dad did.
Oh,
Dad did.
you
Dad
didn't make plans for that.
I should have gone to myself. Dad's
It's a
like,
good verse here.
Dad's like, what is that? Dad, you should have gone and picked it up, Dorcas.
I started to go get the kitty's insides have come out.
Wow, how big's your cat?
Now, can you guys be a little more subtle when Julie and Eric and Michelle are here?
Yeah, don't tell her.
Yeah, good one, Kristen. Like, she totally busted it out for when,
What you should do is go like this. Just go like this. God, we started that turkey.
Oh my god! Stuffing!
Yeah.
Oh, come on, I think I'll come on. You should do it.
That's what we're gonna do.
This is what you do.
wait, back up, woman.
Having some nice hors d'oeuvres.
Where's your restroom? Where's your? We're gonna do that. Or we can do this one. Oh, it's gonna have the winter.
Oh, that was funny. Keep going, show us some more things.
Let's do that with.
Do some more examples like that. How about playing the piano?
We'll do the dog.
You bet she's never date with her.
You were pretty screwed up.
Derek.
Eric, go yeah.
Separately, I think.
I know we do, Kristen. We'll set it up. You
Don't have me in the room.
know I'm going to go. You go. Uncle Monty, is that you? I go, no. So we'll set him up. We go, Eric, is that you?
Scott, that's the most natural way. She was just, Scott. And then he always like throws in his secret. I told you so.
Oh, that's funny.
I got it.
I know what you do. Van Julie would let us put that inside the turkey. As we take out the dressing.
What was that, me?
We could go like this, you go, don't tell Aunt Julie, this tastes like shit. A little spoon. What do you think, Eric?
He's like poo-poo to me. Oh my god.
Well, when we have our pie with it, would you like some topping? Where'd you get the?
When we toss the salad, we'll like throw it up there. And we're like, wow, out of control.
Oh my
It's pretty real looking, isn't it?
Too real looking, isn't it?
I tasted it. It tastes like sweet cookie.
You have not tasted it.
Yes, I did.
Think of
I was
brownies.
like, serious full cookie. And I was
That
like,
is really gross looking.
Ooh, Mom's gonna
Oh,
love
I
that
can't wait
one.
to get one of those for Jim and Mason.
Ooh, cheese
Let's see what we
We
got.
met in Las Vegas.
How old is Jim? He must be 5 or 6.
I hope he loved this.
I bet he would.
We got another thing that you.
Unlike say you.
What's up?
It's so disgusting.
From 2 to 16.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Oh.
Let's just sit on the doorstep tomorrow as people come. Let's see how many of us step around.
To wipe their feet.
I think we just said that. I'm hungry now.
Mom, I'll go like this. Say, Kristen, push me the piano. I'll go,
Oh man.
That would be pretty funny. I'll go. I'll just pull out one of my
Would you like the topping on it, Mom?
Wait, no, never mind. No, I'll go. Kristen, please grab some pictures. Sure. And I'll be like,
Oh, good one, Chris.
Good enough? Okay. And Steve?
Thank you.
No comments?
No toppings.
Look at my face. Let it sit there on this beautiful face.
I'm just trying to think of some way we can do it as we all sit down at the table.
Please take it out of the turkey. And then Uncle Mike could say it tastes like crap.
When they're putting their stuff in, in the room, it could be by the cat stuff.
And actually, when they call you in,
They won't know.
when they call you in to say what the problem is, we've been in real close. We have to toss it out.
That's what my mom did to me.
You bought that in Vegas?
Yeah. It was really funny because there were a lot of people there and I had to pick the right
Battery's
the
going.
right one. You know?